All right, I had to take a brief intermission because my cutters were all corroded, so I had to put some WD-40 on them to get them working again. But I'm going to start right here because I figure this up area, right, that pipe right there is probably the one that's gummed up, and this up part is going to be a place where it could, sand could collect. I live in Florida, and so all of our wells are sand at the bottom everywhere. So that doesn't look too bad right there. Okay, come around this other side. I'm trying to figure out a good place to cut that's going to be easy to put a connection in. But I think down there on the floor, right, that horizontal piece, that'll be one of the easiest places to get to. Oh, how many pieces in here?